In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily increase the mouse DPI in laptop or PC for gaming in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for control panel. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear, okay? And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on the open option to continue. So here you can see a window like this and you need to change the view into large icons. So navigate with view by click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once done, you need to locate with mouse, which is in my case it is being placed at the second column next to fonts. Tap on it and from here you would be able to see a window like this where here you need to navigate with pointer options. Okay? So this section is very important because under the motion where you can select a pointer speed, don't go into slow, okay, because your mouse will move slower, so it is very important to make or to set it into near fast or fast, okay. Once you've set it, click on apply and then okay. So in that way, you have just successfully increased the mouse DPI for gaming in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. So thank you for watching and don't forget also to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have succeeded at increasing your mouse DPI for a best gaming performance in your PC or laptop. Now, thank you and have a good day, everyone.